Well, we have disassembled this here. We have plenty of bearings. This one, at least, looks bad with this picture, this roller bearing. It's very hard. The linerita is quite hard. This one turns smoothly. This one is the smooth one, but they do know how. They would be hard in parallel. But as this one is, there isn't any. So, these lines are lubricated here. There the gear oil falls on them. Here on this base quote. Here on this base quote. And they are the YY there. In that way, it lubricates what I am appreciating. But yes, this meeting is very tough. Now, what we have to look at is these bearings. Aventados. Well, here. Here, as the psalm says, it's not even good to cry anymore. Look at how broken that pinion is. Loaded. Broken. Headaches. Starting from the birds. The